Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need the actual Apple Card number because Amazon does not accept Apple Pay. First, open Wallet on your iPhone, tap your Apple Card, then tap the three dots for more. Once done, choose Card Information and authenticate with Face ID or your passcode to reveal the full card number, CVV, and expiration. Make sure to copy these details exactly. This step gives you the MasterCard credentials Amazon will accept, so do not skip revealing the card data now. Now add the revealed Apple Card credentials to your Amazon account. Go to Amazon, open account, right arrow your payments, right arrow add a credit or debit card. Enter the card number, expiration, and CVV precisely, and choose the billing address that matches the address on file for your Apple Card. Once you save, Amazon may run an authorization. This is normal and often appears as a small pending charge or authorization hold. Make sure the billing name matches your Apple Card account to avoid declines. At checkout, choose the newly saved Apple Card as your payment method and place the order. Once done, confirm the purchase email and check that the authorization appears on your Apple Card activity and wallet. If the payment is declined, first recheck the card number, CVV, expiration, and billing address for exact matches. If problems continue, sign out and retry on a desktop, restart your browser, or contact Apple Card support. Mismatched billing details or authorization filters are the most common causes and are quickly fixable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.